No. Shit, I was confused. Did the email? Yeah. Oh shit, my bad. Wait, let me see if they sent me a code.
No.
It looks good here.
Let me see the keys.
So you had their food before, Glad it's good?
I think they allow us to videotape. What's going on, man? Comment nous y? So, je dirais journée. Jour 3, moi Orlando, man. So, pour matin là, nous allons en brunch. Okay? So, you know, je vais te montrer nos outfits là, man. Nous devons me taper babia, so. Et mon bas m'apprend.
You sure?
What year?
You have to create an account. You have to create an account.
Yeah, put your stuff. Put your credentials.
That it says log in.
Yeah, but I don't
How am I supposed to log in when I don't have an account?
So you will use this email password and password to log into your account.
But
So Main Street,
What?
real estate.
What was this?
That bed, that's a wasp. Oh, I remember one. Let me see.
This bullshit. You don't have this.
You have to create an account because
It's
Let me see the keys.
You don't need the key to start it.
when you outside, yeah.
No, you don't.
you have to try to create your
Beautiful car.
Thank you.
I was drunk.
It don't matter.
I promise I'm gonna be nice to him. That's all.
Alright, so did you find another place?
You wanna go to First Watch?
No.
First watch is pretty good.
Ude Aladdin Deja?
Yeah.
What did you get?
It's mid.
Yeah,
mid.
it's not that fancy, but it's not like it's high hot.
It's literally like a fancy island.
Yeah. Or you can lock the door in the bed.
Look, I'm gonna give it to you again, okay?
What's the ID?
You gotta use your student email.
Okay. What's the difference with the email? It's still gonna send me the same
You know, they
link.
have the bad-
Picture of my heart. The joy I
By
found.
way?
Warm up for
Hey,
worship.
yo.
How does that turn into
It is to spend
like
time with you.
cue
This is
this
a little
side,
radical.
turn into that?
Radical stuff.
You can go
This
straight,
is the
Cynthia.
moment we've been waiting for.
I'll be the type of person that's like, nah, I gotta see how it looks first before I
I
pay
gotta
you.
see how the ride goes first before I fucking pay you.
I wish it was like that.
Yeah, they should make stuff like that. Like restaurants, you eat first. If you don't like it, you return it.
So,
You can.
it will
That was
will
kind of
pay?
like yesterday. I mean, the other
Yeah,
day.
yeah, we're gonna do it, but not food like first.
Yeah, not trying to dispute everything.
Oh, you're learning about disputing?
Yes, sir.
Was this fit by your friend?
Yes.
Good, keep up.
I'm dead.
Cause that Disney shit, I'm gonna get my money back.
What's the refund policy, bro?
I don't know. I'm just gonna say it ain't me.
Just say
Yeah,
your charge you and then you didn't go.
You bloqué 4 euros même.
It's okay.
What?
What happened?
You can't get a refund?
Dispute then. The hell?
I just got that card too. Wait, which card did I use? My credit.
When you gotta pay the back?
My credit card?
Hmm.
Next month.
That
the
do
6th.
this. That's it, okay.
Oh shit, I gotta pay my Apple card. Let's get some Zamola.
No, no bad only. Fuck, let's catch up back. Ketchup up there?
Nah.
I can catch up encore?
There's some in the back.
Because I only have this There's nothing in it. Ou ba gen ketchup encore?
Get there.
E ba gen sou.
Oh.
The French sauce is good?
Is this good?
Mm-hmm. The pina colada is better, but
We can go there. I kind of don't like the cocktail.
it's sweet. But yeah, I'm hungry, so it is what it is. Hmm? Huh? Am I hungry? That's what I just said.
I didn't know that.
Trying to be
You know you
smart.
can easily dispute this charge, man. Seriously, you can. Just don't press charges on me though, because they're gonna act if you don't press charges. You know, one time I looked at my bank account, right? I was going through like the transaction.
E ba kap rapporte kwa?
Hey, yo.
El amarillo y el morado.
You look nice.
Stop,
You look
bro.
like the model. Charles did his model face.
Yeah, I'm like,
You have to.
Okay.
Sell me stick look good in the photo, I mean.
Yeah.
I was a sense your body that shit, but I look so mad, bro.
We're going back to the house and then just change.
I don't even want to change. It's like the best fit ever.
But we're getting in the water.
Huh?
We're getting in the water.
Okay. I need to get another shirt like this. I need to get another shoe like this. I like the Portofino shoes, bro. It's not hot shoes.
Sin toute photo Cynthia fait il look good là, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, elle parle non.
No makeup. No makeup. You're a blessed man, Lance. Take care of her for me.
Yes, sir, ski. I will. Yo, par contre, si c'est parce que my ass is black, depuis moi, l'air, même sous de l'eau, after I'm just yeah, man. I don't know, man.
Yes, at first I was scared.
I don't know,
I
man.
tried not to look.
Yeah, I feel you.
Especially when he was turning, I was like, and then I looked at him, and I was like,
That was at the movie bag the whole time.
and I held my breath. I was like,
Qui met la glace de paquet de Jésus?
because I was up
I
front,
said it once.
so it looked. I will do that again. Would you, Charles?
I want to do it on
You
the
should
island
go up
though.
front next time.
Our front is different.
It's so different. It's scarier. I'm glad he ain't let me drive because y'all would have been.
Huh?
Get that movie.
Because he was like,
We
oh,
would
I'm
be
gonna
buried
help him. I'm
already.
gonna help him pilot.
No way.
I was like,
Co-pilot.
give me the card.
Let's go.
Who's singing?
You could have took it out, but they don't buy it.
Je vais prendre le numéro Cynthia, on va dire qu'il y a un ass. Après, pour aller disputer.
I hate that one. You gotta hold it.
Il va là?
No, leave how it did.
Oh, ça a gâté.
Yes.
The front was scary. Yo, par contre, si c'est parce que nous black là. Oh, it's black. Like, depuis dans left, on a fait venir.
Fuck. I was thinking of bad things.
Yes,
I was like, what if we just fall in that water?
bro.
I was like, he should drive really fast and just crash. I'm weird, like, bro.
Par contre, moi, nous t'avons sauvé, nous si bas ça de tomber. Parce que nous, nous ne pouvons pas
Y'all want candy? No? What if you want gum or something?
You gonna get something? No?
What's your lazy?
Too lazy? Don't say that to yourself, bro. Don't say that to yourself, bro. You're gonna be lazy as you keep doing it.
I'm looking for the. Oh, you almost saw my car. God damn! All that money? You can stop now. Stop it.
God damn.
Dog, turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn around, turn these streets, can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Boss them up, turn dog, get long, this pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we splitting it up.